Welcome to Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious chocolate bites using Mrs. Field's Scoop and Cut Cookie Scoop. Here we have 9 ingredients that are going to make our delicious bites. Let's get started. I am going to be using my food processor. You don't have to, you can just mix these up in a bowl if you like. And the recipe will be in the description box below. It's also on my website. So here I'm adding in the oats, and then the coconut, and then the ground flax, cocoa powder, salt, and cinnamon. And we'll mix that until it's well combined. Next, I'm adding in the maple syrup and the vanilla, and lastly the peanut butter. And then again mixing it until it's well combined. And now it's time to form the bites with the Scoop and Cut Cookie Scoop. Sorry the camera wasn't really in view to see what it was called there, but I did put a photo at the beginning of the video, and I will have it in the description box. I do press the dough fairly firmly into the Scoop and Cut, and then just pop them out. I have some parchment ready, so I don't have to go get that, just to put in between the layers. I also just saw when I looked this up that you could roll the dough into a log and then just cut it with the Scoop and Cut. Just use the middle edge. So yeah, take a look it up, and you'll see what I mean there, but I've never tried it that way. And just continue until the batter is all used up, and then you can store them in an airtight container. I store them in the freezer. They seem to last a while that way, and they thaw really quickly. So I hope you enjoyed that video. They are very quick and easy and very nutritious. I hope you give them a try. Thank you again for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching.